Back once again for more interesting content. On today's list, we will count down the top 10 amateur-built aircraft you won't believe actually flew. These are some of the coolest aircraft which were made from scratch by amateurs and engineers using garage and workshops. They range from extremely innovative and extremely unbelievable, but all of them actually managed to fly. Stick around to know about the most amazing amateur-built aircraft to have flown. Number 10. Colombean Cri-Cri. Colombean Cri-Cri is one of the most compact twin-engine aircraft ever constructed and an absolute masterpiece of amateur aviation. It was developed in the early 70s by the French aeronautical engineer Michel Colomban specifically for the purpose of making a twin-engine aircraft accessible and cost-effective for aviation fans and backyard aircraft constructors. Being incredibly compact, the Cri-Cri is equipped with modern aluminum airframe and extremely efficient aerodynamics. Equipped with two 15-horsepower JPX engines that are mounted before the cockpit, it has a wingspan of slightly less than 16 feet and a weight of approximately 170 pounds in empty condition. Due to its compactness and low weight, this aircraft can demonstrate excellent maneuverability and withstand considerable aerodynamic loads. The Cri-Cri became a very popular exhibit of large air shows such as the Air Venture Oshkosh, where it impresses spectators with the noise of its twin engines. Even the modified versions of this tiny aircraft were successfully launched from other airplanes in the air. Number 9. Rutan Quickie Q1. The Rutan Quickie Q1 was a game-changer in the home-built airplane world upon its release in 1978. This canard wing design concept by the famous aerospace engineer Burt Rutan was one of the few airplanes designed with aerodynamics in mind. It was constructed from lightweight fiberglass composite materials, which was done with the aim of enabling aviation enthusiasts to build it in their garage cheaply. The engine had only 18 horsepower, produced by a two-cylinder Onan engine. The plane used its efficient aerodynamics to achieve speeds of up to 120 mph. Its forward wings doubled up as landing gear, making the plane tailless and thus light. Home-built airplane hobbyists loved building the Quickie for its great fuel economy and outstanding performance. Hundreds of hours were spent sanding down the composite surface for better airflow. Number 8. Gyrocopter Ken Wallis. The Ken Wallis WA-116 gyrocopter turned out to be one of the most famous home-built rotorcraft designs. It was developed by Ken Wallis, a British aviator and a retired RAF wing commander, in the 1960s and demonstrated all the amazing possibilities of an autogyro. Equipped with a lightweight 72-horsepower McCulloch 4-cylinder engine, the WA-116 employed a rear pusher propeller to create propulsion and an overhead rotor that rotated freely due to autorotation, providing lift for the craft. This unique construction made it stall-resistant and very stable at low speeds, which made it suitable for observation, aerial surveys, and pleasure flights. Thanks to its simple tube frame construction, it remained light and efficient. The WA-116 became known throughout the world after being featured in the 1967 James Bond movie You Only Live Twice, where it was equipped with some fictitious weapon systems. Ken Wallis also used his gyrocopters to set many records in aviation. Number 7. Homemade Electric Airplane MK4. The MK4 Homemade Electric Airplane represents an outstanding piece of modern DIY aircraft creation. This electric airplane was created by YouTube user Peter Schreipol as an illustration of how with affordable materials and good engineering it is possible to construct a functional electric airplane. The MK4 is made mainly of foam insulation board, aluminum pipes and reinforced tape and looks like a large radio-controlled plane that is capable of carrying a person inside it. Two powerful brushless electric engines are powered by lithium polymer battery packs providing instant silent power. Open cockpit and light landing gear made of bicycle wheels are the key features that give emphasis to the simple design of this machine and reduce its overall weight at the same time. In spite of the fact that it is made of unusual materials, the MK4 was able to make some successful manned test flights and safe landings. Number 6. UH-19XRW Hoverwing. One such amazing creation is the Aeronext Hoverwing. It is an interesting combination of features of hovercraft and winging ground effect vehicle. Produced by Universal Hovercraft, this creation was meant to provide the thrill of speedy movement while staying a few feet above the water. It employs a strong automotive engine with power in excess of 100 horsepower to propel its big rear propeller for thrust, while a lift fan inflates the skirt of the hovercraft. At a certain speed, removable wings provide extra lift and allow the hull to glide on the water surface, being operated in the area of ground effect rather than in flight. It is usually considered a watercraft rather than an aircraft in most jurisdictions. Number 5. GenH4. GenH4 is an outstanding personal helicopter designed by Japanese inventor Genai Yanagisawa and acknowledged as one of the world's smallest coaxial helicopters. It was made as an ultralight vertical takeoff and landing craft intended to create a small and reliable personal flight option. This helicopter consists of 2 rotating systems that rotate in opposite directions and do not require a tail rotor, which ensures its great stability in a rather simple design. Its power is provided by 4 specially built Gen 125 two-stroke engines delivering about 40 horsepower in total. 4 engines additionally provide more reliability since they can be easily controlled when one of them stops working. The pilot sits on a harness under the rotor system and controls the helicopter through motorcycle-like handlebars. Even though this helicopter demands a lot of skills for flying and has not been produced in large numbers, it is still a truly amazing engineering creation. Number 4. Aeronext Flying Gondola. The Aeronext Flying Gondola is a revolutionary Japanese electric VTOL prototype that seeks to make air transit in towns easier and more pleasant. This aircraft was created by Aeronext and uses their patented 4D gravity technology, allowing them to separate the cabin from the flight systems. When the rotors tilt and move, the cabin stays level to avoid tilting and reduce the motion sickness. The powerful electric engines attached to the rotating structure allow for more precise control and flight stability. The pod where passengers will sit looks like a suspended gondola inside a big multi-rotor structure. This futuristic-looking aircraft is being designed specifically for air taxis of the future. It seeks to deliver people easily around the city skies and do it quieter than helicopters do. Number 3. Dragonair Airboard. Dragonair Airboard is an experimental personal multicopter created by the Dragonair team for the Boeing-supported GoFly competition. This air vehicle is meant to be an innovative flying platform where the classical principles of aircraft design were challenged with the idea to put the pilot into a standing position on top of a cluster of powerful electric brushless motors. In lieu of the cockpit, the pilot keeps their balance and controls the directions of flight with the help of a handheld joystick, changing pitch and yaw of the platform. Modern software for flight control system constantly makes tens of thousands of corrections each second to provide stability of flight. Due to the fact that the pilot is positioned at the top of the platform directly above the motors, precise engineering and computer corrections play a key role in providing safety of flight. This unique air vehicle performed several successful test manned flights, showing the possibilities of compact electric vertical takeoff and landing craft. Number 2. Stits SA-2A Skybaby. The Stits SA-2A Skybaby is one of the most amazing airplanes ever constructed, invented back in 1952 by an aircraft designer named Ray Stits in conjunction with his test pilot Robert H. Starr. Constructed in order to set a record as the smallest manned monoplane in the world, the Skybaby was no more than 7 feet 2 inches long in wingspan. However, despite its small size, this aircraft was equipped with an altered Continental C-85 four-cylinder engine developing approximately 112 horsepower. In addition, this airplane was characterized by the necessity of high takeoff and landing speeds and very sensitive control systems that made piloting extremely difficult. However, the Skybaby became one of the biggest challenges of aviation and amazed people during airshow performances due to its speed and maneuverability. Now, this unique aircraft can be seen at the Smithsonian National Air and Space Museum. Number 1. Flying Bathtub. The flying bathtub is one of the most extraordinary homemade planes. It was constructed by the German engineering group called the Real Life Guys that made an everyday household bathtub a flying plane. Starting from being just a joke, the project turned into an actual engineering task. The plane was made using a steel frame that was specially designed for it. It has 6 powerful electric motors that rotate large carbon fiber propellers. They create a huge lifting force and enable the plane to fly and carry a person sitting inside it. It is equipped with advanced drone flight control systems. Although the plane looks really funny, it has been used for several test flights, including picking up some food at a nearby bakery. Even though it was not designed for any practical use, the idea of making any object fly using electric motors shows how ingenious engineering can be and attracts millions of people. Thank you for tuning in to 10 homemade aircraft that you wouldn't believe can fly. Which homemade aircraft left you in awe the most? Let us know in the comments section below. If you liked this video, remember to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to catch all our future videos on amazing inventions and aviation breakthroughs.